Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to watch an essay on my vision for India 2047. So, without delay, let's get begin. In 2022, India will complete its 75 years of freedom and we all are celebrating the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Every Indian envision about 2047 as we will complete 100 years of freedom in 2047. Vision is the art of seeing what is invisible to others. Our country, India, became free from the slavery of 200 years of British on 15th August 1947. Our independence is about to complete 75 years on this occasion. The entire country is completing the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. After 25 years, India will be celebrating its 100th anniversary of independence. In 2047, I would share my vision for India in 2047. From developing to developed country is a journey of India. I want to see my nation as digital India. As our current Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, I also believe that knowledge is strength and empower the peoples. Coming years should be the most crucial and revolutionary for India. India will be the IT leader of the globe. We must ensure that technology is accessible, affordable and add values to people's life. Although on other side, the world used to think that we are the land of snake charmers and black magic, but our youth has surprised the world with its IT skill. My vision is that India is the global IT leader in 2047. The India of my vision where girls are safe and walk freely on road. Also everyone feel peaceful in the country. Senior citizens of India can live a peaceful and very calm life without having fear of anyone. India will be a place where there is a freedom of equality for all and everyone. It is my vision that India would be a place where there is no discrimination of caste and religion. It would be self-sufficient in food and basic needs. It is a place where there is an abundance of development and growth in all the sectors. The woman of India 2047 would be more educated and empowered, who has equal rights with men. Each and every poor child should get an education of his or her choice. Although the country is on the path of continuous development for last 75 years, we will be more powerful in next 25 years as we were never before. I envision India is the most advanced country in the medical science and defense industry. I also see the India of 2047 as a corruption-free India. I see that in 2047 there is no hatred in the name of caste and religion in the country. All Indians will live happily and prosper life together and help each other in their growth. I dream that all Indians prove that we are bye-bye. To conclude, I would like to say that 2047 is a golden year for India. It should ideal country that seems like a Kohinoor in all other countries. Hello friends, how was the video? If you found it useful, please press the like button. If you are new to the channel and yet not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe it and comment your valuable thoughts in comment box. We will meet in another video. Till then, keep watching, keep sharing, keep learning. Thank you. Bye bye.